this will be the first offering of a hybrid electric wheel loader in a construction size class in the world. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this machine. Of course, being a hybrid, it is diesel. It uses diesel power and electric power. And what's different than our conventional drive wheel loader 644, which we of course build many of, this one uses a smaller 6.8 liter diesel engine, a Deere engine of course, whereas our normal interim Tier 4 conventional uses a larger engine. So this technology allows us to use a smaller engine, and we use it differently. We run the engine at a constant engine speed. There are 4 speeds that it can be ran at, but this allows us to be always at the full power. And we're running a generator and the hydraulic pump. So what's different is a regular wheel loader lets off the throttle, the hydraulic pump goes to very low flow. And if the operator needs more, he compromises, he steps on the brake and the throttle, which is inefficient. This machine, there's always full power there, full hydraulic power, and then of course it generates electrical energy. The electric energy goes into what's underneath this box. It's a John Deere power inverter. It's a component we make, but it's basically the brains of the system. So what this does is, in the middle here, you'll see an electric motor. So to make these tires turn, there's 3 orange cables. So all the energy to make this machine move back and forth, push, crowd, climb, goes through those 3 cables into the electric motor. The electric motor runs a simplified John Deere transmission. It does have 3 gears, but we have 4 operating speed ranges. Now when I say simplified, that's 1 less gear than we have in our normal conventional transmissions, and also there's no reverse. The key thing is where's the reverse come from? The electric motor. So there's no shifting. If you think about wheel loaders, they do a whole lot of this, back and forth. So it's very smooth, it's very powerful. And from what's this mean for an operation? A couple things. For the average, or for the novice operator, it's very easy to operate. A conventional drive machine takes some operator skill to generate the correct amount of push power and raise the boom and load the bucket. Well, I told you got full power, you have full hydraulic speed, and you can generate full crowd power by simply stepping on the accelerator. And that makes, I'll say, less skilled operators very easy to load the bucket, get a full bucket, which at the end of the day is what the customer wants. And then on the other side of it, it does it very efficiently. The fuel savings with this machine for the average customer is 25%. And that's average, doing a multitude of activities. There are certain operations, such as truck loading, that you can actually exceed that. By running the engine at a constant speed, some benefits are increased durability of the engine. It's not always racing up and down. Engines that run in genset applications have much, much longer lives than engines that are constantly going up and down. The other side is the noise levels of the machine. This machine is 2 decibels quieter than our interim Tier 4, which is actually the quietest loaders we build today. So by dropping 2 decibels, well, 3 decibel reduction is a 50% reduction in sound power. So this machine, from a bystander standpoint, is very quiet and very quiet for the operator.